Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Acorns to your bank account, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. On the home screen, navigate to the Invest tab. Scroll down and select the Withdraw option. Choose the account you want to withdraw from, if prompted. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the details of your withdrawal request. Confirm that you understand any potential fees associated with the withdrawal. Select your linked bank account for the transfer. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the prompts to add one. After selecting your bank account, tap on the Withdraw button. You will receive a notification confirming your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or confirmations. The funds should be transferred to your bank account within a few business days. Make sure to check your bank account to verify the deposit has arrived. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Acorns help section for assistance. You are now ready to manage your withdrawals from Acorns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.